Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to change your name on Facebook. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Now click on the menu button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that. And click Settings. Now you will notice the Meta Account Center. Tap on that. And click on Profiles. Now here you just need to select which account you want to change name and tap on it. And you will see there will be an option for name. Click on that. And here you'll have the choice to change the name. Now, once you're satisfied with the name, you just need to review change and confirm by clicking Save Changes. And that's it. That's how you change your name on Facebook. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.